Hey guys! Today we are going to be partnering with Pennzoil. So we have an annual scalloping trip coming up soon and it's super fun, but it's a very long drive. So we gotta go get our oil change. So we have to go to the Walmart Auto Care Center to get our oil changed.
A pleasant surprise. We're here to get our Pennzoil high mileage oil change, and look at that, it's even on sale. So it's on sale through August 9th. How awesome is that? So that means $4 more in my pocket. How easy is that? We just pull up and wait for the next attendant. Sweet. Hi, can I get an oil change with the Pennzoil high mileage? Just dropped off our car to get the oil changed, and now that gives us time to do some shopping around Walmart, because you know, we always need stuff for our road trip. Maybe like sunblock, food, all that fun stuff. Ooh, maybe we need some snorkeling stuff too. But love the Walmart Auto Care Center because it's so easy to just drop off your car and then you can go shopping and get everything done. So we need to find a cart. Let's go find a cart. Over to the snorkeling stuff. Where's that? Maybe over here. Oh, that's awesome.
I feel like it's basically a disc, Kelly.
It is a disc.
3, 2.
Oh, we could totally use that on our trip.
Right?
So we found some stuff. Oh, sunblock. Sunblock. We need sunblock. Sunblock. All right. Let's find sunblock. So your little faces don't get red or pink. Oh, I don't think we need quite that much, Kelly.
Okay.
Maybe like one is good. So one of the really cool things about what we do is we travel like non-stop. Well, we just reached 100,000 miles on the car, literally this week. So perfect time to get an oil change, and love the Pennzoil high mileage oil. It's perfect for our car because it's gonna allow our car to last longer. And that's what we want, the car to last longer so we can go on more road trips like Steinhatchee and Scalloping. We are off to find snorkeling stuff. Do you have snorkeling stuff?
Yeah.
Alright, here's snorkeling stuff. We walked right by it.
I want purple.
Oh, you have purple already.
No, I have. I need new.
You need new purple. Oh, look at the fins.
I need fins.
You need fins?
I have these. They're not very good.
Oh no. Alright, so maybe we need to get you some new fins.
They don't get me so fast.
Let's see those. I think we found some good stuff for our scalloping trip.
I don't know.
I think we're ready, and I think the car is ready to get picked up too. Our car is done. It's time for the road trip. Are you ready? Are you ready?
No.
There we go. So we're good until 103,000 miles, 586, which will be here soon, I'm sure. Knowing how we drive.
So we're gonna hang out with the cousins, and we're gonna do some scalloping. Scallop is a seafood, which tastes delicious. Just saying. Scalloping is pretty much snorkeling, but you try and catch them. They're actually really easy to catch. The place that we're going to, I forgot the name we're going to, but still,
Steinhatchee.
Steinhatchee?
Steinhatchee.
The place we're going to is Steinhatchee. So I'm super excited because the place, we went there last year and it's so cool. And it has a lot of scallops.
We're staying the next few days. Not too sure about this part in the middle though. I don't know if a hurricane came through last year or what's going on. But I'm really hoping the whole thing doesn't just fall down on us. So we're doing a little swim in.
Kelly's cheating.
Is Kelly cheating? What? What?
He's having me keep him in the water.
Oh, we're sliding down.
10 seconds, and it used to be 5 seconds, and then he changed it. And then I got him in for 5 seconds, and then he went in, and then he said, oh, it's actually 10 seconds.
All right, let's see a slide.
15 seconds.
Let's see the slide. Go. Woo! All right, Hunter, are you gonna slide?
Yeah.
Oh wait, no. I need a trail.
I'm scared.
Careful. You got it?
Yes. I don't know.
Hunter always gets really nervous that we're gonna see sharks since we are in the Gulf of Mexico. And we have seen sharks before, right?
Yeah. That's a time.
Here.
Yes, I made it.
Woo! Shark hug. Oh! And she's down.
It's my turn.
Here is our home away from home.
Just like last time, only opposite.
Ooh. Nice.
Kelly and Hunter each get their own room.
Oh, what? You get your own room?
Oh no, that's not right.
I was gonna say you share. You have 2 beds, though. Oh, look at the cute little bed.
I got little.
I want
Yeah,
it.
you're bigger. I think the little person should get the little bed.
Kelly, you can have a big one.
Okay, I love it.
Or the
All
small
right.
big.
Oh, you're gonna take the big bed?
Yeah, I'll take the big bag.
Big bed under the fish?
Yeah.
You're gonna take the little bed?
I love the fan.
I said, look, come on.
Wait.
What?
Wait, another one.
Whoa, the people underneath you are loving you right now. This is my favorite part, right out here.
There.
Open the door for me, bud.
Okay. Wait. No,
There
wait,
you go.
it's not done.
Are you locking and then reopening there?
There you go.
Open the door. This is my favorite spot. To come out, sit, and overlook the crazies. All right, what is going on? Something is funny. Something is funny. I don't know what it is. Something is super funny. What's super funny?
Watch. Look at it.
What am I looking at?
The sensor is broken.
Oh!
Just keeps trying.
I'm like, what's happening? I don't understand. Oh, it's still going. Put your hand in. I've never done that before.
I want to do it.
Does it feel funky?
No, feels like wet towels.
I want to do it.
I've never got to put my hands in a
It's kinda
moving
hot in
dryer.
Ah! Oh, wait.
You can look at all the cabinets.
Yes, oh, that one's locked.
Plates.
Plates and bowls. Stuff.
Worcestershire sauce.
Ooh. Stuff.
Forks.
I said stuff.
Oh, I panicked for a split second. Hunter, why would mommy panic for a split second?
It almost hit my head.
No, oh yeah, that too, but no, I didn't think you were close. There's something that I thought mommy was missing. What do you think is missing here that mommy would panic about?
Toaster. Knives.
Coffee! I didn't see a coffee pot for a second. I was like, I don't see coffee. So I was gonna freak out for a split second.
We are going to the boat right now. I'm super excited because I always love scalloping and I love scalloping, and especially when we're with our family, because that's even more fun.
No one else is in the water yet, but Kelly's in, which is crazy. Little thrill seeker.
Found any yet, Kelly?
Kelly, see any sharks? Oh, someone's in. Kelly already found one. Woohoo!
By myself too.
Yeah, nicely done, kid. Last year, you would not have done that. You wouldn't have been the first in, and you wouldn't have been the first to find one.
And wouldn't even touch it.
I know, you didn't touch him last year. I am so proud of you, buddy. All right, let me see this little booger. It's like biting you. So don't touch him. Show how they kind of move on their own. See, look at him snapping. He's a little snapper.
Oh, you got the bag! You got the bag? Is the bag thrown away? Another one?
Thank you, Pennzoil. Check in the link below for the closest Walmart All Care Center. Bye. Keep on dreaming. Love you all.